There's so much focus on how you look when it comes to attracting, but anyone who knows men knows that touch is as important as sight, maybe even more so. In this video, I'll tell you 4 ways to touch any guy to make him see you as more than just a friend. Hi, I'm Amy North. I'm here on YouTube to help women take charge of their romantic life and create the relationships they deserve with the men they dream of. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if that's something you want for yourself. So first up, I need to be very clear that touch is something you'll want to use sparingly if you want it to have the effect you're looking for. If you start touching every guy you see, it's going to lose some of its power over time. This is because touch is not just about creating a reaction in him, it's also about the feeling you get when touching him and how it colors your interaction with this guy. This sounds like magical thinking, but it's really simple psychology. You see, when you do anything repeatedly, it becomes almost routine. And for touch to be exciting, it needs to be exciting for both of you. And second, keep it above the belt, for now. If you're at that point where you're considering the inner thigh touch, you need to be past the point of wondering whether or not he likes you. Just a thought. Number 1, on the arm. The touch on the arm is a rom-com classic for a reason. Because it works. When he says something funny, laugh and grab onto his upper arm for just a few seconds before pulling away. When he stands next to you waiting to cross the street, steady yourself on his arm for a moment and then keep moving. However you choose to use this technique, remember that a little goes a long way. Don't hold on to his arm for any longer than a few seconds. That's all it takes to send a powerful subconscious signal to him that you're interested. Number 2, eye contact. Not technically touch, but it can feel like it if it's done right. A recent study found that eye contact can actually make you think that someone likes you, is interested, and actually have them rate you as more similar to them than you would have without the eye contact. Yes, eye contact is a powerful tool in the attraction game, since you can use it from afar without having to worry about crossing a line. Just like with physical touch, a little eye contact goes a long way. Another recent study found that 3 seconds was the ideal length of eye contact, with any contact over 8 seconds being reported as uncomfortable. Number 3, on the hand. Similar to the arm touch, touching a man on the hand is considerably more intimate. Save this one for the right moment. If he does something particularly kind or cute, touch his hand with yours. It only takes a small graze to get your point across. Don't hold his hand. While this can be nice, usually men prefer to be the ones to make the first move when it comes to actually holding hands with a woman. Number 4, surprise hug. Only use this one if you two are already getting close. Wait for a moment of triumph or excitement for the two of you, like say the team scores the winning goal, and go for the celebratory hug. This simple movement can accelerate things from friendship to more real quick. Number 5, stand by me. Another non-touch that feels like touch is simply to stand very close to him. This gives him the signal that you feel safe around him and that you're willing to get as close to him as he is to you. If he is telling you something important and you can't quite hear him, this is the perfect excuse to get right up close to him so you can feel each other's body heat. Try it out. Just remember, knowing when to touch him is almost as important as knowing where to touch him. Probably best to avoid touching him in any professional setting, especially if you two work together. In any case, save this move for when the two of you are alone together. And it should go without saying that touch should never be your first or only move with a guy, despite what you may have seen in some adult-themed movies. Touch is something to work up to and mixed in with conversation, flirting, and other attraction techniques. To learn more attraction techniques, check out my free video presentation over at coachnorth.com. In it, I outline some little-known methods to entice men and make them notice you in new and exciting ways. Check it out now at coachnorth.com. And finally, be aware of body language. Body language is very important to be aware of if you're trying to attract a guy through touch, both his body language and your own. If he seems uncomfortable, don't push your luck and keep your distance from him physically. You need to feel out his comfort level rather than just going in for the kill, as this can be awkward or downright creepy. Thanks for watching. I'm Amy North.